A smart door lock is a must-have for any modern home, offering the perfect balance of security and convenience. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best smart door locks and showing you the best options to enhance your home security and entry points. For more details and prices, check the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is a standout option due to its sleek design and impressive functionality. It's easy to install, fitting right over your existing deadbolt, which means you won't need to change your current keys. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to control the lock remotely through the August app without the need for a separate hub. You can give temporary access to guests, monitor entry activity, and receive notifications about who's coming and going. It's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, which makes integrating it into a smart home setup incredibly easy. One of its key features is Door Sense, which alerts you when your door is securely closed and locked. Its strong security features, including bank-level encryption, ensure your home remains safe, making the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock a top choice for anyone seeking a combination of convenience, security, and smart technology. Number 2. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. The Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt is a powerhouse in home security. It features built-in Wi-Fi, so you can control and monitor your lock from anywhere via the Schlage Home app. This smart lock allows you to create and manage up to 100 unique access codes, making it perfect for families, friends, or frequent visitors. Its fingerprint-resistant touchscreen ensures your codes stay private and secure. One of its standout features is built-in alarm technology, which detects potential security breaches and sends you alerts. It's compatible with Amazon Alexa, so you can control the lock with your voice and easily integrate it into your smart home ecosystem. Installation is quick and fits most standard doors, and it also comes with a lifetime limited warranty on mechanical parts and finish. If you're looking for a reliable, high-tech smart lock with robust security features, the Schlage Encode is an excellent choice. Number 3. Yale Assure Lock 2. The Yale Assure Lock 2 offers versatility and convenience, providing a range of features to enhance home security. It is compatible with major smart home systems like Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa, so you can easily integrate it with your existing smart home setup. With the Yale Access app, you can lock and unlock your door remotely, manage access codes for family and friends, and receive alerts about who's coming and going. The lock supports keyless entry, allowing you to ditch physical keys and rely on a digital keypad or your smartphone to control access. This smart lock also lets you create unique codes for guests and even set schedules for temporary access. Whether you're looking for flexibility or ease of use, the Yale Assure Lock 2 is an excellent choice for any homeowner. Number 4. Kwikset Halo Smart Lock. The Kwikset Halo Smart Lock is designed with both security and convenience in mind. Featuring built-in Wi-Fi, the Halo lets you control your lock from anywhere using your smartphone without the need for additional hubs. With the Kwikset app, you can easily lock or unlock your door remotely, monitor who comes and goes, and manage up to 250 unique user codes, making it perfect for families or shared living spaces. The lock features a fingerprint-resistant touchscreen to protect your access codes from prying eyes, and advanced encryption technology ensures the safety of your home. It's easy to install and fits most standard doors, and its sleek modern design complements any home decor. Plus, the Kwikset Halo is compatible with Amazon Alexa, offering even more convenience through voice control. If you're looking for a reliable, high-tech smart lock with strong security features and a user-friendly app, the Kwikset Halo is an ideal choice for upgrading your home security system. Number 5. Level Lock. The Level Lock is a unique smart lock that combines the traditional appearance of a standard deadbolt with the advanced features of smart home technology. Unlike many other smart locks, the Level Lock installs inside your existing deadbolt, preserving the exterior look of your door and allowing you to keep using your physical keys if you prefer. The lock is compatible with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa, enabling voice control and remote access via your smartphone. The Level app lets you lock and unlock your door from anywhere and manage access for family and friends. One of its standout features is Door Sense, which sends alerts if your door is securely closed and locked. With its sleek, discreet design and strong security features like bank-level encryption, the Level Lock offers both style and protection. Installation is straightforward and doesn't require any additional wiring or drilling. Thanks for watching our guide on the top 5 best smart door locks. Let us know in the comments which lock stood out to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more home tech tips and reviews. Stay secure and keep your home smart with the right lock.